Weekly market recap. Sluggish week ends with Friday rally. In this week's market recap, we witnessed a sluggish to down week that concluded with a Friday rally sparked by a soft jobs report. Despite the rally, the S&P 500 index, SPX, only added a modest 0.15% for the entire week. The next few minutes will explore the market's performance, economic reports released during the week, and the recommended investment strategies. Market performance. The Conservative S&P 500 strategy aims to shield investors from bear markets by enduring short-term declines without triggering sell signals. This long-term strategy is based on chart analysis and avoids making changes based on emotions or news events. It allows for market fluctuations without attempting to time every minor up and down movement. Currently, the strategy maintains a bullish position in the Rydex S&P 500 Nova Fund, RYNVX, or other S&P 500 index funds or ETFs such as SPY. Economic reports. Several significant economic reports were released during the week, providing insights into the state of the U.S. economy. Here are some key highlights. 1. Employment costs. Employment costs in the U.S. rose by 1.2% in the first quarter of 2022, surpassing market expectations of a 1% increase. Both wages and benefits experienced a 1.1% increase, indicating potential wage pressures and favoring higher interest rates. 2. Housing prices. The average prices of single-family houses with mortgages guaranteed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac in the U.S. increased by 1.2% in February 2024, the highest since April 2022. This followed a 0.1% decrease in January. 3. Job openings. The number of job openings declined by 325,000 in March 2024, reaching the lowest level since February 2021. This missed the market consensus of 8.690 million, suggesting a potential slowdown in the labor market. 4. Manufacturing PMI. The ISM manufacturing PMI in the U.S. fell to 49.2 in April 2024, indicating a contraction in the manufacturing sector. This was below market expectations and failed to maintain the prior month's expansion. 5. Payroll and labor costs. Private businesses in the U.S. added 192,000 workers to their payrolls in April 2024, exceeding market expectations. Unit labor costs in the non-farm business sector increased by 4.7% in the first quarter of 2024, indicating potential inflationary pressures. 6. Unemployment benefits. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits remained unchanged at 208,000, pointing to continued tightness in the labor market. 7. Job growth. The U.S. economy added only 175,000 jobs in April, the lowest in 6 months and below market expectations. The jobless rate inched higher to 3.9%. Investment strategy. Based on the market analysis, the SPX position in the Conservative S&P 500 strategy is bullish. Aggressive traders are advised to hold cash in money market funds. Conclusion. Despite a sluggish week, the market ended on a positive note with a Friday rally. Economic reports released during the week provided mixed signals about the state of the U.S. economy, with some indicators pointing to potential wage pressures and inflationary concerns. The recommended investment strategy remains cautious, with a bullish position in the SPX for the Conservative S&P 500 strategy. Aggressive traders are advised to hold cash.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.